Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you how to edit ChatGPT images using Canva absolutely free of cost. So follow the step by step tutorial. So firstly you have to connect your ChatGPT with Canva, and then you have to generate an image, and this image we will edit by Canva. So let's go. So firstly you have to go to ChatGPT. So from the ChatGPT interface you have to connect ChatGPT with Canva. So to connect this, click on apps, and here you have to search Canva. So this, you have to click on this and you have to connect it. So click on connect with Canva, sign in with Canva. So authorization successful. That means we have successfully connected Canva with ChatGPT. So and you have to click on this, and firstly you have to generate an image. So I have provided a prompt which will generate an image, and so let's see. Click on this. So it is generating an image. So as you can see, this the image generated successfully. So now I will edit this image with Canva. So to edit this image with Canva, you have to write this. So let's see. So it is preparing this design to make editable. So as you can see, this design is ready to use. So here have provide two link: edit in Canva or view only link. So I will edit this image. So click on this first link, open. So you can see this, I can edit by my own way. So if I want to change this, you can see this, I have successfully changed this. And if I want to move this man, I can also do this and move this also. I can also remove one laptop. So you can use this as much as you can. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.